This is the most expensive penthouse in Australia, and for the low price of $60 million, it could be yours. Growing up, I never really understood the appeal in Sydney, but then I actually went there. Not only does it have arguably some of the best weather in the world for a major city, but the headlands, cliffs, and beaches that adorn the harbour create a spectacle like no other. Understandably, the Sydney property market is expensive to say the least, home to the most expensive properties in Australia and some of the most expensive in the world. Welcome to the Boyd Residence, the most expensive penthouse ever sold in Australia. An ambitious work of pure genius, this incomparable residence is the crowning glory of the internationally awarded ANZ Tower. Having a gross floor area of approximately 2,400 square metres over 3 levels, bask in the magnificent harbour and city views. The home was named the world's finest residence at the International Design and Architecture Awards in 2017, complete with a resort-style rooftop pool. Fill it with gold coins and enjoy an expansive view of the Sydney harbour while you live the Scrooge McDuck lifestyle. An underground garage fit for a GTA 5 hacker gives you over 8 spots of car storage. Finally, a place for all of your ultra-luxury cars, Ferraris, Bentleys, and most importantly, a 2004 Holden Crewman, showcasing unprecedented levels of privacy and opulence. With 24-hour security, the penthouse accommodates 4 lavish bedroom suites, each with its own marble bathroom. Its many grand entertaining spaces are of a scale which has to be seen to be believed, framed by its soaring double-height ceilings and dramatic walls of glass. One of the greatest trophy homes and the only residence within the building, the ANZ Tower penthouse has no equal, making it an address of true international appeal.